I'm Malcolm Fisk and I work at Coventry University. We are the lead partners for a very important project funded partly by the European Commission under their Executive Agency for Health and Consumers. And the project is going to be delivering a code of practice for telehealth services in Europe. Now, we're very, very pleased to be here at a major event in London run by the Telecare Services Association. And I'm delighted to have next to me Trevor Single, who is their Chief Executive.
I'm Trevor Single, I'm from the UK's Telecare Services Association, and the TSA is also a member of the Telescope project. The TSA has been running an international conference over this period of 3 days, which has attracted over 830 delegates and 45 exhibitors from around the world, looking to see what's the latest technology and service provision in terms of telecare and telehealth.